welcome to SparkleBox, and I'm back with another interesting Mother's Day craft. So today I'm going to show you how to make a simple badge to present your mom. The materials required are A4 sheets, sketch pens, pencil, scissors, fevistick and the scale. Let's take an A4 sheet and mark points on it using a scale. What do we need to paste these strips? Fevistick. So let's paste these strips using a fevistick as shown. Sheet of paper and then draw a circle on it and then cut it. Number 1 mom on my badge. You can write super mom, best mom, world's best mom, whatever you wish. Your Mother's Day badge is ready to present your mom. Isn't it cute and simple, kids? Do you want to learn more of such amazing DIYs? Then subscribe to our channel SparkleBox and don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Bye-bye.